Text: installing your new LG OLED GX. White waves in turquoise water on the screen of a TV mounted to a gray tile wall. All on-screen images simulated.
The OLED G10 was engineered to put the spotlight on everything you watch and designed to enhance any kind of space, on or off.
The screen shuts off.
So here are 4 ways to help you get the most out of yours.
Text: flush mount with recessed box. A G10 hangs flush with a white wall next to framed artwork. Installation into a stud recommended. Please note that the anchors supplied may not be appropriate for all situations. Read instructions and consult with a professional, if necessary, prior to starting installation.
The uniformly thin profile on the G10 was made for this. Flush mounted against the wall using the included proprietary wall mount and a recessed box to hide the cables, there will be no gap, no shadows, no wires getting in the way.
Depending on installation environment, there may be a slight gap between the TV and the wall.
For this, we recommend a professional installation since it may be necessary to move electrical connections. But if now isn't the right time, no worries, there are plenty of other options.
For detailed instructions on gallery installation, visit lg.com/gallery installation guide. Text: flush mount with raceway cable concealer. A white cover hides the cables running down from a screen over a maple shelving unit. Depending on installation environment, there may be a slight gap between the TV and the wall. Installation into a stud is recommended. Please note that the anchors supplied may not be appropriate for all situations. Read instructions and consult with a professional, if necessary, prior to starting installation.
Even without an installer, you can still get that professional look with your G10. Just use the supplied wall mount for a finish with no gap. Easily hide those wires with a few clever touches, like a raceway cable concealer, available at many hardware and electronic stores. And there you go.
Text: standard VESA wall mount. A TV hangs on a concrete wall. VESA mounts come in different shapes and sizes. Yours may look different.
You already have a 300 by 300 VESA wall mount in place. Chances are, it'll fit your new G10. Just make sure it's rated to support the weight of your new G10 TV. It won't be flush to the wall, but you'll still get that ultra slim profile with a lot more ease.
Text: display stand. A G10 stands on a gray cabinet.
And if a wall mount isn't for you right now, just use the optional feet, which are sold separately, to put your G10 on display. And you can always decide later to wall mount for that super sleek gallery look.
Text: a work of art, gallery design.
So there you have it. 4 ways to enjoy the one TV that is a literal work of art.
A screen transforms into a painting. Text: LG OLED.